What is up, everybody? Wow, who is this? I pulled over because I had to use the restroom, and yeah, today's vlog, by the way, it's raining, which I'm sure we're all aware of this crazy like snowstorm, and it's just been raining all day. I'm in San Diego. I'm going out to a show tonight. I'm gonna meet up with some friends. Yeah, it's a mood, like this is a vibe. I know it's been a while that I have posted on my channel. I hope you are having a good day. Welcome to today's vlog. I just hope you're all doing well, and I'll check in with you later. Yeah, that's it.
I'll take that. Hey, what you gonna do with all that? Tell your homeboy to fall back.
I decide to film vlogs when I have nothing going on in the week. I mean, I have like work stuff happening, but I find that kind of, it's not boring, but like, I don't know if you guys like watching that, but it's like the past 2 weeks I had stuff going on that I could have vlogged. I could have filmed getting a tattoo. I got 2 new tattoos, which I'll probably share with you later. I got 2 new tattoos. I went to San Diego for the weekend. I went to a concert. I could have filmed my shoot with Nike that I did. It should be live already, but if it's not, stay tuned for that. And I filmed nothing of that. You are nothing of the sort. The Tiffany Pollard reference.
Somebody lied to her several times and told her that she was fly, and she's nothing like that. She's nothing of the sort.
I don't know if other people that vlog feel this way. I feel as if people aren't interested in my life. I don't know why. I'm totally filming like a parent right here with like my double chin. But you know what? I'm just gonna film. Hey, puppy. What's up? Good morning. Buenos dias. Oh, did you just fart? Yeah, he did. Did you guys hear that? My baby. It is another rainy day. Let me probably look crazy. It's been raining like crazy, so why do I have New York? I have New York on my screen. Okay, it's raining all day today, but it is sunny the rest of the week. But it's gonna be cold, which is nice. I love sunny, love me some cold. Wait, I need to confirm this. I'm just confirming a call that I have with Amazon. I'm really excited actually to be partnering with Amazon Style. That's at 10:30 stores. So usually we do like Zoom meetings or a quick brief or like discovery call to talk about, you know, what we're doing and just the backstory on the actual project. So that is at 10:30. Yes, I can do it. Wait, 10:33:7. That's Friday. Or Tuesday. That's Tuesday. Shit. Tuesday. What the fuck is happening? So I'm just confirming that meeting appointment. Cool. By the way, this is the affirmation of the day. It says, I am prepared with gratitude for any moment. Period. The thing isn't tight. Let me fix it. Come here. I'm like half asleep still.
I'm filming this with my phone. I'm gonna try to film the rest of the vlogs from here on out with my camera. It took everything in me to like get out and go to the gym, and I want to share that because it might seem like I'm always motivated, and it's not the case. Most of the time I am. I think I've just been a little bit thrown off of my routine since this past weekend. See, today's Wednesday, and I went out. I partied a little too hard. Like, I had a good time. Don't get me wrong. Like, I had a good time. I'm the type of person that, like, I work hard, but I play hard. And I don't play too often. Like, I'm pretty chill, but when I do go out, like, I let loose and I have a good time. And it's funny because my friends, like the next day, I'm like, why do I have, like, why does my head hurt? Why do I have a hangover? I didn't even drink that much. And my friend's like, no. She's like, you did. It was a good time. But I say that to say it definitely threw me off because I felt like I was hungover for like 2 days, which, I mean, I'm 30 and it definitely hits different. It's not like I'm in my early 20s where I could go out for the night and like be fine the next day. Like, it took me out for like 2 days, and it just took me out of like my morning routine, and like I've been sleeping late now for like the past couple days since that night. So I'm just like, I need to wait. Why did I start talking about that? Oh yeah, because it threw me off of my like workout routine. Like Monday I was just still tired from the weekend. Even yesterday I was a little thrown off as well. And I actually posted the perfect meme on Instagram that I came across. It said something along the lines of me recharging for 6 months after going out for one night. I felt that in my soul. And it's leg day today as well, which is the harder day. But I'm gonna change that dialogue and say, I'm gonna kill it today. Like, I killed this workout. This is gonna be a great workout. I'm back on track. And that's it. All right, people are probably thinking, what the fuck? Who are you talking to? All right. I'm a little out of breath. I decided to do some abs before I head back home. But I wanted to share with you the tattoos that I got. Why not? Why not just do it here? So I actually got this one here. It's a really small one. I don't even know if this is considered a tattoo. I mean, it is, but it's just super tiny. It says 1111. I get this question asked quite often, like, are your tattoos all meaningful to you? Meaning, do they have like a special significance? And I'd say about like 60-40, like 60% of my tattoos have a meaning, maybe even more, like 70%. And the rest are just because I like the design and I, like the artwork. Let me fix you. It's not fully healed yet. It's kind of like a blend of Greek mythology inspired with like a blend of traditional tattoo. But this one here represents the dreamer in me. I think it's important to have that imagination and have the dreams. And I am very much someone that tends to daydream often. And some people can see that as like a bad thing. Like, oh, you have, your head in the clouds, get back to reality. But for me, it's kind of the opposite. It's like I have gotten to where I am in life by dreaming and making everything come to life. So that's what that tattoo represents for me. It's still kind of scabbing a little bit. And then I got this one here that's still healing, but this one is my Libra tattoo. I feel like, life is all about balance. But I liked the artwork with this. I like the traditional tattoos. I don't think I'm gonna get, I might get a few more on my leg, but I kind of like those I like that they're a little bit hidden. You can kind of see when I'm like this. But I am tempted to get another tattoo soon on my ribs, like on my right side. I kind of go through spurts like that with tattoos. Like, it'll be like a year or two where I don't get any, and then all of a sudden I just, get a few tattoos at once. But I love that feeling, and call me weird, but I like the feeling of that, getting the tattoo, like the pain. It's not even really a pain. I find it relaxing and almost like, I don't know, it just feels good. Except the fingers and the ribs hurts the most. Like, those are painful. But yes, that is that. And if you don't like my tattoos, that's fine. I actually counted the other day because someone asked me how many tattoos I have, and I have like 36, which is kind of crazy to think. And the first one I got was when I was 18. Literally the day I turned 18 at 12 p.m. I remember. As soon as it hit noon for my 18th birthday. So I've like always been into tattoos. Wow, this is like tattoo video, but I just wanted to share with you the new pieces that I got. So I'll see you later. So my sister-in-law, I want to share this. My sister-in-law brought these from Japan. She was on a work trip in Japan, and she brought me these goodies from Japan. If you know me, I love me some matcha. I consider myself like a matcha connoisseur, but yeah, they're like hard to come by in the States, like a good matcha latte. Anywho, she brought me these Kit Kats, and they are fucking amazing. I'm craving it right now, but I'll probably make some tomorrow because I already had enough caffeine today. Look at how cool. I don't know what that says, but these are phenomenal. I am about to have one. You get that potent, rich matcha flavor. It's not too sweet at all. I actually prefer these than the regular chocolate Kit Kats. They do sell these in the States, right? Asian markets. I'm heading to the Apple Store right now. I am going to be upgrading my laptop to a 14-inch, I believe it's the MacBook Pro M2 with 1 terabyte, and it's gonna help me out so much with work and everything. My old laptop, I've had it for like 8.5 years, so I have held on to that laptop for so long, and it was finally time to get a new laptop, so I'm really excited about that. It should be ready for pickup. It's a little far out for me. I mean, not too far. It's like a 30-minute drive. I actually have my laptop right here. This is my laptop that I have. I'm at a stop sign, by the way, or stoplight, red light. I've dropped it. It's time to part way, babes. You all right? I've been watching so many like shows from the UK that my accent sucks though. I cannot do a British accent.
I woke up this morning, got me feeling brand new, like I know what to do, got me feeling nostalgic. Ancestors sending clues, I'm sending gratitude.
Whoa, that's close. Hey.
Take off the foo-foo, take out the clutches, take off the waffle.
This is why it takes me forever to get in the shower.
20,000, 30.
All right, I'm gonna cut my hair. That's what's happening. Also, there's construction happening outside, so if that's what you hear that. So this is my 4th time cutting my hair. So in the last few videos you've seen, that has been my own doing with my hair. I'm not great yet, but I'm getting there. I will get there. I don't even think I'm in that position to even give you a tutorial because I'm still figuring out what I'm doing. My barber taught me how, and then I have been watching videos on YouTube. I use this. This is what I use. This was like, I think 30 bucks on Amazon, and it also turns on. There's a light. I don't know if you can see that. Wait, is it on? Wait, it's not connecting. Did this break? Oh shit. It's not working anymore. I had LED lights where it would like, it would have lights, but it's just not working today. Get this going. Let's do a thumbnail. Yeah, so there's like a harsh line, but I'm gonna blend that as I go along. So then I'll go with like a 1.5 or 2, and then I'll just start fading that out. And then I also have to trim this top part with scissors. So for example, I'm doing number 3, and then I'm gonna fade down, but I'm gonna actually stop filming because then I wanna be focused on what I'm doing. All right, I'm pretty much done. I trimmed the top part a little bit. I like it kind of long on top with a fade. Put these in your bag. It's a rainy day here. That's my dad. That's my mom. You know Ricky. Say hi. 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 Say hi.
Hola.
Viola.
Hola.
There you go.
Don't worry. A team member will hand you your annual pass as you walk into the park.
Bel Air. You can catch it all on NBC.
Period. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Just spending the day at Universal Studios. Cheers, 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 cheers. We're in line for the Transformers ride. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next vlog.